Hi, I'm Dr. Annette Feravich from Healthy Mind, Body, Spirit, and I just wanted to show you a simple recipe that I had put together for the liver gallbladder cleanse that we're starting on January 19th. So I just wanted to show you, I made a delicious bowl of gazpacho here, and so just basically cutting up a lot of wonderful vegetables, which are perfect for you for this diet. And then I pureed some tomatoes in there to give it a little bit more of a soupy texture. A lot of these recipes call for you to puree the whole thing into a soup. I happen to like my gazpacho pretty crunchy. And then here, I decided to make up some quinoa. And so instead of using bread, I'm using a whole grain substitute quinoa. And because I like things just a little bit spicy, I'm going to go ahead and top this off with just some cut jalapeños. Not too spicy, but a little bit spicy. Gazpacho makes a delicious meal for your healthy liver gallbladder cleanse. This is Dr. Annette Feravich from Healthy Mind, Body, Spirit. Join me on January 19th for our liver gallbladder cleanse.